Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Honorable President of today's awesome event, prestigious chief guest and guests of honor, and all esteemed teachers of the seminary and dear all. Today, I enormously elated and thrilled with joy and delight to have the galaxy of the academicians, intellectuals, dignitaries, legends, and Islamic icons seated here. In fact, this final program means not only to exhibit, demonstrate, and showcase the yearly achievement of the students of Diploma in English Language and Literature, but also to encourage the achievements, to upload the efforts, and to hail the accomplishment achieved by all the students after giving much efforts, sacrifices, conquering all the obstacles, distractions, and deviations. Dear all, awards and prizes are a way to encourage good qualities of the students, motivate them towards the success, prosperity, and gain high aim. This is the reason because that department always gives awards to its students to promote their hidden skills and to give them chances to flourish in their respective field. Without further delay, I would like to cast a glance on the categories of awards of today's event. There are two categories of awards along with the prizes of education competition. The most significant and esteemed award is the Best Student of the Year award. And the criteria of achieving this award is as follows. Number one, a student must assure his punctuality, maintain regularity, show dynamism, and be obedient, zealot for study. And by the grace of Allah Almighty, one student from both the classes secured this highly esteemed award, who is none else but Brother Bilal from second year. I call him, please come ahead and receive your award by the auspicious hand of the rector of the well-known seminary, Darul Uloom of Deoband, Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Sufyan Qasmi Sahib. Give him big hand. And the second most prestigious award is the Best Speaker of the Year award, is secured by a very intelligent student who is Wajrul Qamar. I request him to come forward and receive your award by the graceful hand of Hazrat Maulana Fariduddin Sahab Qasmi Damat Barakatuh. Encourage him. Now, it is very happy news that our prominent guest, Dr. Faiz Salim Siddiqui Sahab, has given us 2,000 rupees for all the participants in this elocution competition. So I am very thankful to sir that you you have encouraged the students by your patient kind. And now we are moving ahead to distribute the prizes. First, I want to give a glimpse on the detail of the prizes. That there are 3 toppers, first, second, and third. They will be honored with shield as well as 5,000, 4,000, 3,000 rupees as prizes, respectively. So I would like to call Brother Riyazur Rahman. Please come ahead and receive your prize by the auspicious hand of Director of the Seminary, Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Sufyan Qasmi Sahab. Please come.
फोटो खींच लो भाई, फोटो खींचो इसका. हाँ
And also I humbly request our dynamic director of the Islamic Seminary Darul Umm of Deoband is awarded. And now I invite second position holder, who is no one else but Brother Wajul Qamar. Please come forward and receive your award by the auspicious hand of Dr. Jamil Manvi Sahab. Please honor him with reward and shield. And also we are greatly thankful to Jalal Umar Sahab, who gave us auspicious suggestions as well as cash in 2,000 rupees for all the participants in debate. We are very thankful to you, sir, that you helped us with your suggestions, recommendations, as well as the cash and the money. And now I call upon Brother Wes. Please come forward. He is the third position holder and receive your prize with the auspicious hand of Dr. Faiz Salim Sahab. Please honor him with shield as well as the prize. And now I request all the competitors who participated actively in this elocution competition. They will get their prizes when the program will end up. And now I very humbly request our dedicated and prominent teacher, Hazrat Maulana Fariuddin Qasmi Sahab, please come forward and give the pieces of advice that can show the right way to be successful in our life and hereafter.